Hey guys, October 4th, 2021, we are looking at Sdpi, and this stock is playing hide and go seek. As you can see, the past 5 days, it has been just showing its face, hiding, showing its face. Pre-market on Thursday, it showed its face by going as high as $2.09. And then once the bell rung, it just hit. It was like, where's all the excitement? Where are you, SDPI? It stayed below VWAP, and then pre-market it was hiding, and it took another day of hiding just to pop up on us today with major volume and to show its face and stay above VWAP. Let's see what type of news is driving this move today. Several shares of energy companies trading higher. They are in agreement with another company, existing company, for a pact to increase oil output. That's really good news. That should drive sales. Let's take a look at the 1 day, 5 minute charts and see what transpired. Right at the bell, it went higher than a pre-market bell at on a 5 minute candlestick. Excuse me. Kind of teetered amongst the VWAP. I don't see any good trends. I guess from here, it was, man, a real nice upward trend. You could have took some profits on this, but then after this trend or this cone broke, it was more so some sideways action, trying to determine if it wants to continue breaking up or breaking down. As you can see, I would say at what time is this? What, 2 o'clock? It decided to break down. This thing might be closing closer to the time price that it opened at. Let's take a look at Let's zoom out to take a look at the 5 day scope. This thing is higher than it was previous day. So it might make another run tomorrow, but look at the pattern here, guys. Wednesday, it had a nice run with a little bit of volume. Pre-market went crazy just to let everyone down during the day on Thursday, and then let everyone down again on Friday. So Monday, which is today, it's getting everyone excited. There's a lot of volume. Hopefully it doesn't do a repeat, but I think, well, let's draw our support and our resistance because I think that's key, right? So we have a support here of some price action. Some bears are trying not to make it go down, but some bulls are trying not to make it go down. But there's some bears coming in here who wants to see it go down. And as far as the resistance, you can't really get a clear indication of resistance here. But let's see if we can use maybe this pre-market price action to kind of give us an indication of where the resistance might be. Yeah, I think this might be a good line. $2.16, because pre-market it went as high as that on Wednesday. And then today it kind of attempted to go right back up to that price action and then just to fail and come back down. So this might be a good range to play in. If it stays within this range, I would watch it tomorrow and see if it breaks this top part, 216. It might go back up, but if it falls below 177, it might be set for a drop, guys. So just be careful. I want to look at one more stock before we end the video, which has been on a monster tear over the past couple days of trading, doing major volume. Today is doing the least amount of volume is done over the past 5 days, which is CEI. And I was telling you guys that, this can only last for so long before it starts to give you a sideways roller coaster just for like maybe a drop, right? So today, let's zoom in on today to see what happened. It peaked as high as 365 30 minutes into the day, which is good, which is real good. And then towards the end of the day, it went below VWAP and just stayed there, which looks like it's going to close lower than it opened, which is not a good sign for those hoping that the stock continues its momentum. As far as the support, I do see a nice support line we can draw here based on the opening action and the ending day action, right? So we have that, and then a good resistance point will be here to here. So I think these two lines will determine if it's going to catapult up tomorrow or missile crisis down tomorrow. But as far as news that's driving it, I don't think there's any new news. It's just going off the momentum it had the past 5 days. Take a quick look. Yeah, nothing new going on. This energy company has a 3-month return. Bitcoin, Chamber Energy. Yeah, nothing salient, guys, but that's where I will draw my support line. And as far as trends, zoom back out. I don't see any easy to see trends, right? Because it was a downward trend, but today kind of broke that downward trend to where it was good news because it was kind of, I think they call it barcoding when it just goes sideways. So today might be the catalyst for tomorrow either going up or going down. So we don't know, guys. But hopefully you guys are smart with your trading and you use good judgment, and we're all making some type of green. But thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Leave me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I will check you out on the next video. Bye.